big ass tree and shit. It's got such a deep, pissy smell. Am I going the right way? Look at this shit. Look at this. Look at that. So that's a big ass. Like, look at my. Oh, I touched it by accident. Ugh, I gotta wash my hands. Something got fucked up. You can clearly see that. Look at that. Ugh. Got the whole leg. Roasted his ass. That was definitely a mountain lion. Definitely a lion. Sounds hell. Should have came out here with somebody else. Found another cave. Van Alden Cave. It's not a big cave. Another small cave. Oh, my arm itches. It looks like there's a way up top there. It smells like smoke. Oh, that is freaking creepy. There's like a little slit through here. I guess you can like walk through. Yeah, I see footsteps. And it goes out here. See my feet. Like that. And find my way up top. I think that's the way up top. There's a tinier cave up top. Oh, you gotta be careful walking up here though. Look at that. Look at that. That's 20 feet. Nah. Yeah, that's about 20, 30 feet. And that's the hole in the top of the cave. Oh, it's not another little cave. It's just a... Oh, it is another little cave. I mean, it goes down into that cave, but it's nothing really. Gotta be careful of those holes. Let's go back across this. Sun's starting to peek out behind the clouds. It sounds like somebody's walking up there. From here. Yeah. Definitely not bring your girl rated. Do not bring your girl to Van Alden Trail. Not the one. Not the one.